This How to 1 Minute will show you how to sign up for Grammarly. Open your browser and type here Grammarly sign up. Scroll down and click on sign up, create a free account. To sign up, give your email address. Enter here a strong password. Enter here a name. And click on agree and sign up. And it's time to verify your email address. So pin your Gmail and you will get a verification email. So all you have to need, just copy the verification code from here and paste in here. And as you can see, I've successfully created a Grammarly account. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribe to How to 1 Minute. See you in the next video.